So I have now AutoCAD Architecture and hsbDesign opened, and I'm going to launch the IFC Importer. Select your file and click on Open. We have different sections in the Import Manager. One of them is, for example, the Model Viewer. It gives you all the geometry of the imported objects. We also have the Property Inspector that is representing all the properties that are assigned to this IFC object. On the bottom left, you can find the filter rules to filter the file and to assign the correct import type and to define on what is imported and what's not imported. On the right-hand side, you can find the property mapping and the post-processing. This allows you to map these IFC properties into the correct properties in AutoCAD Architecture. There are different approaches to create filter rules. You could create a filter rule for the selected IFC types. If I have select an IFC type, IFC wall, and I click on Add Rules for Selected IFC Types, it will create a filter rule that contains all the IFC walls. We have the default property mapping, and the property mapping is related to the HSB type. So I'm going to create now a property mapping for element wall stick frame. And everything that I do in here is now related to all filter rules that are containing the HSB type element wall stick frame. In this example, I would like to map the reference of this wall, this property here, into the description inside AutoCAD Architecture. I have to define now the source of the information. And now I have to define the location, so the destination field. So this will now mean that after the import, this term here will show up in the description inside AutoCAD Architecture. So I'm going to assign now the types for all the objects that I have in my IFC file. So the windows I would like to have as openings. The walls are already set. CLT is also already set. But for the CLT, I can assign property mapping as well. So I'm taking again the reference, and I would like to have that as style, so that already the correct style is assigned. The stairs I would rather not have in my file. The floor I will import as mass group. The roof I will also import as a mass element. The railing is not important for me. I'm going to click on import now, and it will process the elements and import them into AutoCAD Architecture and hsbDesign. So you can already see the model in here, and all the groups are there as well.